Good morning, student. This is Shailesh Kumar, and we are on a channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. So, student, in this video, our chapter going on decimal fraction, and the topic of this decimal fraction chapter is descending order. So, what is the descending order? We have learned in the earlier videos, and for the different topics. But here, the chapter going on fraction, that's why we are given the various decimal numbers. Those have to be written in the descending order. So student, let us see that how I have written the descending order. Here the English alphabet D is the largest of size, then the size goes on decreasing, and in the end you will see the size of the letter G is, alphabet G is very low, that is the smallest, and this is the greatest, and the last is the smallest. So we have to rearrange a given group of decimal number in this video's second footage. So student, that how we have to write the decimal number in the descending order, we shall learn in the second footage of our video. So don't skip off any part of this to get the 100% concept clarity over this topic, descending order over the decimal numbers. Dear student, in this video we are going to learn the decimal number can how be write in the descending order. Student, here you will see that in question number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal numbers are being given. So that we have to write them in descending order. What is the meaning of descending order? When we write the greatest number at the first place and the smallest number at the last place. That system is called the descending order. Okay. After writing the largest number, we will write the smaller number than the previous one. Okay. After that, we will write the smaller than the second one, and in the last, we will write the smallest one. Okay. So here, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many places are there? There are 4 places. So first, second, third, and fourth. So it is clear that at the fourth place I will have to write the smallest number among 4. Okay. So in the earlier video we have learned how to compare the decimal number. So we shall apply that previous knowledge of that video in this. So first of all, in order to compare, we will compare the whole part. Here you can see in the whole part 5, 5, 5 and again 5. Now 5 is in the whole part of every number. So actual comparison will depend upon the decimal part. So now we will come on the decimal part. Here you can see that in first number the decimal part is start with 8. 8, 9, 9 and 9. You can see almost that these 9, 9, 9 are same, and the 8 is smaller than all the 9. Okay student, so it is clear that among 4 this number is smallest. Okay, so it will occupy the 4th position. So I am confirmed with the 4th position number. Okay, so I will tick this. Now the question is of first 3 positions. Now for first 3 position I will compare these 3 only. Now for the last place I have booked the number that is on the first position in the given question. Now we come to the first, second and third position. Now we will compare only these. Now you can see first place is same. Now after that you see there is 3, this is 8 and this is 0. Now 3, 8 and 0, which is smaller? 3, 8 or 0? 0 is smallest, 8 is greatest and 3 is middle. Okay, so we can decide that 0 is having a smallest arrow, the 3 is having more than 0, therefore it will have arrow with some more length than 0, and 8 is greatest, so 8 will have maximum length than all. So with these mark we can decide that which one is greatest. The second one is greatest, so I have occupied the first position for this number. So I will mark now, this is at first position and this is at fourth position. Okay student, now which is the smaller than 8? That is 3, so it will be occupy second position. Now and what is rest? This is on third position. Okay student, with these encircled position I can decide my order in which I have been asked to write the question. Now because I have to write in descending order, so descending order, so required descending order is, now which one will be at the first place? This, so 5.983. Which one is on the second position? 5.938. And on the third position 5.903. And which is on the last position? 5.893. So student, this is the required answer. I hope you have understood this explanation. So if you are satisfied with this explanation, then please subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. Now student, the next question is there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers, 5 decimal numbers are being given and we will have to write them in descending order. So first of all, you see that in the whole part there is nothing because 0 is written. So we will compare the decimal part. You see at the first place of decimal, it means 10th, at 10th place 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7 is everywhere. So we come to the 100th place, so that we can decide which number is greatest or smallest. Here this is 5, 0, 8, 6, 6. Now student, this is 8 and this is 0. Okay, so now I come to know that which one is greatest. 8 is greatest and 0 is smallest among 5, 0, 8, 6, 6. So 8 is greatest and 0 is smallest. So how many positions are there student? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to write in descending order. The meaning of descending order, I have to write the greatest number at the first position and the smallest number at the last position. Now which is the greatest number? 8. And which is the smallest number? 0. So this will occupy first position and this will occupy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will occupy fifth position. Okay student, now we have to decide for second, third and fourth position. Now you can see that 5, 6, 6. Now this is 5, this is 6 and 6. Now 6 is greater than 5. Okay, 6 is greater than 5. So 6 will be occupied. Now you can see that in these two number 6 is there and there is 5. So which one is smallest? The 5 is smallest. So there are 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are there, and which will be at the third position? So last, it means first, second and third. If these are, I consider them first, second and third, then which is smallest? That is, which is having 5, that is smallest. So 0.756 will be at the third among these three. Now these two are greater. Okay, now I will compare which among these is greater than other. Now here 7, 7, 6, 6, there is 8. So which is greater? So this is greater. So it will be at first place among 3, and this one 0.760 will be at second place. So as per this, I will write the first position among 5 is this and the last position is this. Now the question is of these three. So which one is greatest? This one, 0.768. So it will be at second place amongst these 5. Now after that 0.760. Then this is at third place. Okay. Now first, second, third, fifth, and this will be at fourth place. So student, in this way we have decided the place of all the decimal numbers. So as per this required descending order, the first one is 0.786. The second is 0.768, 0.760 and 0.756, and the fifth one is 0.706. This is the required answer, student. I hope you understand this question, and if you like this video then please subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. I am pausing the video so that you can take the screenshot for the written purpose. Now student, in this footage I will provide you a different approach to find the descending order. So first of all, if the number are decimal numbers you are being given, then first of all you will make them like decimal if they are not so. But are like decimal numbers? Like decimal number means after decimal the number of digits in each number are same. So let us check. After decimal how many digits are there? 4. Here 4, 4, 4 and 4. So in every number there are 4 digits after decimal. So all these are already like decimal numbers. So if these are like decimal numbers, student, then you can write them without decimal. Okay, so you see what I can do. I can skip decimal. So this can be written as 2008. This can be written as 0081. 0081, what is the meaning of 0081? That is clearly 81. No problem. Here this is 0208. This is 0820. And it is 0282. Now these numbers are equivalent to this because these are like decimal. Now I will write them by their actual absolute value. This is 2008. This is 81. This is 208. This is 820. and this is 282. Now student, you can see these are now the simple whole numbers. Now you can compare which one is greatest and which one is smallest. So it is clear that which one is greatest. 2008 is greatest, and which one is smallest? 81 is smallest. So this will pick which place. We have to write in descending order. So which is smallest? This one. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 positions are there. So I will write this at the 5th place, and this 2008 will be at 1st place. Okay student. Now the question is of the rest 3. Now you see that after this is 208, this is 820, and this is 282. So which is less than 2008? 820. So this will be at 2nd place. Now after that, which one is smaller than 820? 282 or 208? 282. So this will be at 3rd place, and rest one will be at 4th place. Now I have decided the position of the various numbers. Now I will write the answer as per the question. Descending order. Descending order. That is, now I will have to write direct answer. Which one as the first place? This one, 2008. And what is the required given form? 2.2008. Which one is the second? 820. So actually it was 0.0820. And which one is the third? 282. So actually it was in decimal form 0.0282, and fourth one is 0.0208. Okay, and which one is the last position? That is 5th, 81, and 81 in the decimal form was given to us 0.0081. So student, this is my answer. So what do you think about this type of approach? Please write us in comment on our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. Now we are on the second question. Here you see that all numbers are like decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. 4. There are 4 digits, 4 digits, and 4 digits. So firstly I will write them in the form where we can show them without decimal. So we can remove decimal if they are in the cases of like decimal. So what will it become? 1007, 0071, 0107, 0710, and 0171. Okay student. Now what is the meaning of these one? 1007, 71, 107, 710, 171. Okay, so we have to write in which order? Descending order. So I will have to write the first greatest number at the very first place. So this is the first place. Okay, and which is the smallest one? That is 71. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be at 5th place. Now after 1000, which number is there? 710. So this will be at 3rd place. Okay, after that 171. Then this is at 4th place. Okay, then 1st and 5th. After this there, then first, second, sorry, this will be take second place, occupy, and it will take third place. Okay, first, second, third, and it will take fourth place. Okay student, now required descending order. Required descending order. So which one is the first number? That is 1007, but actually it was in given form 1.1007. After that, what is second? 710. It was actually 0.0710. Now the third, this was 171, so this is third. So what is fourth position? 0.0107. And what is the fifth? 0071. So this is my answer. Okay, so if you are satisfied with this video, then please comment and subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different, Zara Hatke.